Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic which is about synthetic division. So here we have method of synthetic division. Before going to discuss a synthetic division, let's discuss something about a long division. We are familiar with the process of long division. Long division is like dividing one polynomial by another polynomial. Here we are given, if we take x cube x square plus x plus 1 as a dividend of x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So we already know this process is a long process. We do it until we get a remainder is 0 or some number or variable. Or taking numbers as we know that if we take a long number, a very large number like 3 5 6 7, and divide by 1 2 3. So we already familiar with this process. We do it until we get a remainder is 0 or some numbers. Long division sometimes becomes so difficult, so that's why we use a very shortcut method which we call a synthetic division. Synthetic division is same as a long division. Synthetic division is a shortcut method. I mean, here if we are given 2x cube minus x square plus x, and we have to divide by x minus 2. So here we have a very simple method. We have to take the coefficients of this polynomial. Here we have the x cube coefficient is 2, x square is 1, and we don't have x here, so we can write 0x. I mean, we can put the values of x is equal to 0 here, and if we can write a constant as it is as it is. Now what we will do, we will put x minus 2 is equal to 0. So putting x minus 2 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 2. So here we can write 2, which is a dividend. Now first we have to put down the coefficient of x cube or any number. We have to write down the coefficient of that number. Now we will multiply 2 here. 2 into 2 is 4. So if we add minus 1 plus 4, here we get 3. Now if we multiply 2 into 3, so we get 6. So 0 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now if we multiply 2 into 6, we get 12. So 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. So here we have the remainder is equal to 15. Now we have another question, another example in a synthetic method. So here we can use a synthetic method to divide 2x4 minus 3x square plus 5x minus 10 divided by x plus 2. So if we take the coefficient of x4, which is 2, x cube here is 0, x cube plus 0 plus 0 x cube. So we can write the coefficient of x cube is 0. The coefficient of x square is 3 minus 3. The coefficient of x is 5, and we can write the constant, which is minus 10. Now we will write x plus 2 is equal to 0. So writing x plus 2 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 2. Now we will write the first term down below as it is. So now we will multiply 2 into minus 2, which is minus 4. So if we add these two terms, we get minus 4, and then minus 2 into minus 4 is 8. So if we add these two terms, so we get 5 plus 5. Now if we multiply minus 2 into 5, we get minus 10. So minus 10 plus 5 is again minus 5. Now if we multiply minus 2 into minus 5, we get 10. So if we add plus 10 minus 10, we get here the remainder is 0. So it's a very simple method in a shortcut method that we can divide one polynomial mm, by another polynomial. So that's all about today's lecture.